real soon. Get ready. charge at one
That's
time.
right. That's what it takes to keep up with these guys, and I still can't do it. We're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota. We are back. This is Carmine's Country Corner. I think we met the deadline. I hope the PA's okay. I mean, we just got in under the wire tonight, folks. So I'm sitting here with no guest artists this week, and we're setting things up and getting ready, and it's kind of bright outside. It's kind of dark in here before all the lights come on, and this guy comes walking through the door, and I'm looking at him like, well, that's not Cody, is it? And it's my very good friend, Steve Travato. We call him the Professor. He's a great guitar player and a great guy. So real quick, I had my daughter Kim, I said, put up there to Professor Steve Travato, guest artist. So you're all the guest artists. Safe. Steve, safe. You pulled another one off. Anyway, Dr. Kathy showed up. Thank you, Doctor. We love you. And this is Mother's Day. And if everybody just wants to take a second without being too funny, I know Steve always likes to throw curveballs at us. Give me one nice thing you liked about your mom. One thing that kind of stood out about your mother. Give it to me. Steve, give it. Go ahead. No, see what I mean? Okay, Travato, you got anything about your mom?
Very smart.
She was a very smart lady. Very good. What about you, Cody? I know she just recently passed away. Was she a good poet? Mom, I did not know that. I met her several times and did not know about that. What about you, Dan? I knew your mom, too. She was a beautiful woman. She learned from her mistakes. As long as she didn't make too many, we're doing okay. Palmer.
My biggest fan.
She was your biggest fan?
Yep.
She supported you 1,000%.
All the way.
God bless her. Well, I'm going to tell you about my mom. My mom was a great listener, and she had 17 children. And when you got 17 children, probably one of the first things you're going to have to learn to do is listen, because there's a lot of talking going on. But yeah, my mom, she died at 95 and a half, and she was a wonderful lady. So, okay, guys, so we got that covered. I'm glad we did that. To all you mothers out there, God bless you. We love you all. You're doing a great job. Next. What do you got, Gary?
Oh, it's my turn again?
Well,
Okay, here's the tune that, blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah.
that's the same thing you said about your mother.
Well, my mom's been gone since I was a kid, so I didn't.
Well, yeah, but you
She
must
was
remember
great.
something. I mean, you know.
I'm sure she was better than all of your mothers.
Well, absolutely. Of course. I didn't realize that you lost your mom that young. Sorry to hear that.
It's all right.
Okay, let's rock and
It
roll.
wasn't your fault, was it?
No. Hey!
There's a closet full of dresses that I bought you. Here's the keys to the new car in the drive.
So a couple of things I said last week I wanted to straighten out. First of all, I was talking about Don McGinnis, how Doug McGinnis had started the Palomino Club. He called it the Mule Kick in 1948, 49, around there. And then I said in 1972 that Tommy and Thomas bought it, which was way wrong. It was 1952. So I just wanted to straighten that out. What was the other thing? Greg Leon and his wife are going to be coming up soon. She got a little under the weather. They're going to be our guest artists. And I think I said the name of his album, because I didn't have it with me, was Tell the Children. No, I said it was All the Children. The name of the album is Tell the Children by Greg Leon. It's a rock album, but it's really good. And so I just wanted to get those two little things off my brain. Okay, Cody, you want to do it?
I'm not quite ready yet.
You're not quite ready yet? Cody's not ready yet?
Steve's gonna do just because.
Let's do it. Steve Tomato, our guest artist.
Oh, yeah.
Here and see. Come on, more bass.
What?
More bass.
You want more bass? You want to hear more bass? Turn up a little. Check, check.
Okay, Bob Smith. Remember, he gave him away, but his wife won't let him. Come on down and get a good deal.
One, two, three, four. Well, just because you think that you're big, just because you think that you're so hot, just because you think that you got something nobody else got. right where when I went to slap it one time, it turned the neck off on me. What happened, Mike? Well, we got through it. Hey, that was fun. Thank you.
He goes, oh no, you do it. I said, I'm not doing anything.
Yeah, they don't like doing.
Then we threw Steve
Well,
off
I call
the
them a
night.
whole solo. They like to split them. So you guys split them all night. But when I'm playing, you wait till I'm done. Okay? Do whatever you want to do after that. I don't care.
When I'm done,
But you guys want to play half a solo, do it after. That's fine. It's up to you.
Yes, because
Anyway, I ain't going that well. Dan, do us a song. Break this thing up. Break up the fight.
You're right, Dan. You're fine. Yeah.
Are you okay? I can do it if you can't.
It's not bad. It's not bad.
We'll see if I'm okay. Memphis and Angel will start together.
you got a chart on that thing?
it's optimistic.
1, 2,
switch guitars. Somebody say something. Don't be too quick about it.
Okay.
Don't rush it. Because
Only
don't
when
hurry.
you
I'm
don't
not-
ask us to talk. If you ask us to
We're
talk,
gonna put
I think it'd be a good time for a drum solo. What do you think? John Palmer on drums. You have 2 bars to take a solo. Go. Okay, there was enough time for you to go to the refrigerator and get a beverage.
Somebody do a song, you don't need me on everything.
Cody Bryan up next.
Here, Cody.
Batting third, Cody Bryan.
Alright,
I'm not ready yet.
QB.
You'll never understand.
his double neck guitar.
He did. That's where I got mine from, C.B. Mosley. You know, I went to school with Larry Laurie Collins, and I played on Town Hall Party when I was about 14 years old. Boy, what is feeding back? Well, hang on, wait a minute, I can't take this. I can't take it!
Mike, I'm gonna,
Yeah, just pull the volume down, Jesus Christ. Pull the main down. It's all the way on the right, the main.
I know.
Yeah, pull it down. There you go, thanks. Okay, that's it, it's fixed. Hope you guys can still hear us.
Well, we really pushed it.
Still happening.
Someone's hot.
Huh?
Someone's hot. I don't know who it is.
It's still feeding back.
I don't know which one.
They should all be the same.
Not mine.
As far as the volumes on the mic, Dan, we put those all the same, so it's just a master volume. Maybe I put the speaker too close to the microphone. Sorry about that, folks, but it is show business, and this is what we do. So, 15 years old, I played on Town Hall Party with the Collins kids, and Joe Memphis was there that night. I was like 14. He's playing this big double neck to see me. I was with me for him. Great guitar. I don't know why that is feeding back. What are you done?
No.
Palmer came up because
What?
I just want to say one thing about my mom. I told her I wanted to be a drummer when I grew up.
Yeah.
She said, "I'm sorry, honey, you can't do both."
Yeah.
What channel are you on?
I'm gonna fix it. Hold on, folks. Somebody say something if they want to.
He can't do
It's
his,
kind of fun, you know.
he
but,
can't do his own
just
rim
sit there
shots.
And do whatever you want to do.
Pete,
and I gotta
Pete
fix
Anderson
this.
had a
This is
great
going
line
back
where he
where it
said that
was.
he told his mother he was going to be a guitar player. She said, "That's too risky." He said, "It's okay, Mom, I got a backup. I play harmonica."
I hope that does it.
1, 2.
Woo! Okay.
Somebody go. You want to do one? Come on up now. Wait, we're gonna get you. Wait, one more. This guy is a loyal member of the band and the show. He's here every week doing the engineering with my daughter Kim. Tom Paul Wilson. He's been our guest artist a few times, and so we're gonna get him up and
So wait a minute, you
fun with
just
the boys.
booted Steve just like that.
Yeah, you that fast. That's the way it is around here.
It's
Steve
show
management
business,
hears about this.
you know. When this manager.
I hope it doesn't feed back. Good luck, folks.
Yes.
Bob Smith Toyota, don't be late.
Let's see, the key I believe would be a G.
Very good, very expensive. Oh, no, the other one book I use. I've been
Don't
doing
tell us
this
the other
for
courses.
years.
It already got me scared.
You know the song.
Oh, it's not.
Might take a couple verses for you to get it, but you got.
It's just the way we said it.
You ready?
This song is not about you.
Wait, are you going to see your mom? Tell us about that. When you going? Next week?
I'm gonna go see my mom here.
She's 90?
90 years old.
God bless her.
Yeah.
All right.
She's a handful. My sister was a great mom too, so happy Mother's Day.
I'm
my
going to go out
sister.
there. and find out what's going on. All right.
The rest of the guys know it, I believe.
I know the song.
I know Gary knows it.
Excuse me, folks. I got to work on the.
I know Steve knows it. I know Dan knows it.
All right, kick it off.
Oh, yeah.
Thank
just kind of wasting my precious time. Don't hate to us. It's all Professor. Ain't no use in calling out my name, like you never done before. Ain't no use in calling out my name, babe. I can't hear you anymore. Still, I wish there was something you could do. You still try to my mind. We never did too much talking anyway, so don't waste waste. It's alright. Come on, buddy, play something. Well, walking down that long, lonesome road, yeah, where I'm bound I cannot tell. This is goodbyes to the work, babe. So I say farewell. And I ain't saying the truth. You just kind of wasting precious time. It's alright. I'll try to get more guitars next time, Mom.
Thank you, guys. Well,
Bob Dylan sing that for you.
we'll do it again soon.
How about a
Okay,
hand for Tom for me?
You're back, Steve.
Uh,
You're back as a guest on this.
I think we got rid of the feedback. I hope you can all hear the vocals. I suggest anybody singing, just get into the mic and sing so they can hear you, because something happened.
I think you were feeding that.
This is better. It could have been me, absolutely. That's right. Check. It's weird. Okay, who's got what?
How much time we got? We got about 15 minutes. You got one, Steve? What are we gonna
Just
do?
keep it under 15 or we're good.
Steve Tavato, I'm so happy you came up and visited us this week. Thank you. We're here at Bob Smith Toyota, and we're having fun. We're doing our country show. I think May 20th is the date of the. It's going to be the third year that we've done this. Wow. And haven't missed that many Sundays. The few Sundays we missed, we just do a rerun, but there hadn't been that many. We've got like a couple of hundred shows in the can, so it's kind of fun. Go back, watch them, see the guys. You know, we're having fun. Okay, go.
So, yeah, this is a straight 8 blues in the key of G. And I'll key you on the one when I stop.
Oh, last night. Last night. Last night. Oh, last night. Obviously, that was a song about something that happened last night. Hope it was a good night for you. Yeah, we got about 10 minutes. Gary, do us another one. I might sing one next. I don't know. See how I feel.
Memorize words like you.
Yeah, a lot of words in that song.
He's a lyric sponge. That's the motto.
Boy, that sun's getting you guys again, isn't it? We got a bright window. You guys can't see it from where the camera's hitting us, but just off to the side there, there's sun coming through like really bright on the engineers. They're sweating over there. So next week we'll block that out. I'll do something about it. Thanks for coming up to Carmine's Country Corner. Tell your friends. Keep watching the show. We're just kind of having a lot of fun doing this. And Steve, you got to come back more often. I really love it when you're on the house. It's just great. Gary, of course, our buddy's back, and we love Gary Swan. Of course, Cody. Cody, how'd the gig go last week?
I don't remember.
He doesn't
I
remember.
have something to tell you about that Palmer deal that we did in Memphis earlier.
Yes.
I got to hear Palmer play that with Johnny Rivers.
The actual guy that did it. Wow.
Yeah, and boy, Palmer was
On the money. Well, he does a good job. He's a pro. He's a pro. Well, I'll
For
admit
that
it.
Johnny Rivers show coming to a theater near you.
Near you, Johnny Rivers. What a guy. Okay, so what were we doing?
We're gonna do a Ben Skill tune called "Give Me One More Last Chance."
Do it.
Last
want to thank y'all for coming. We had a little bit of thing with feedback, a little up and down stuff, but it was all good. We had a great show. Everybody have a good time?
Yeah.
Steve Travato came back. Thank you,
Last
Steve.
night.
Cody, we love you. Yeah, last night, great song. A lot of good words. Quite a message there, you know. And so happy Mother's Day to everybody and all you beautiful people and all you beautiful moms. We love you all. We're gonna do one last song and go out. And let's do Blue and Broken Hearted. Gigi. Broken hearted holding to a memory since you've been gone. No matter what I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted. I never felt so down and out. So all without since you've been gone. No matter what I try to be, it's blue and broken hearted. Somebody play it. Explain the way I feel. And every tear I cry is real. Since you've been gone, and what I try to do is blue and broken hearted. Hey!